All right, we're gonna try this again. I've already got it pulled up. Yesterday, I went a little bit too low. And so I called my doctor and asked him, what is the best place to put this needle in? As I said before, Drew used to do this for me, and because I'm here by myself, I am learning how to do it by myself. I'm self-administering this shot. So when Drew would do it, he would draw a line and he would draw like a plus mark, and then he would hit the outer upper quadrant. That's what everybody says. But my doctor said that you can, so because I'm in an Airbnb, I have to stand in the stairs, just stand on a chair to show you. My doctor said put your hands on your hip and then move your hand down. Put your hands on your hip and move your thumb down, and that is where you're supposed to go. Okay? So it should be right there. It should definitely be above your butt crack. So my butt crack is right here. Here's the line straight across. We don't want to go any lower than my butt crack. Yesterday I went somewhere down here and I suffered for it. It was very, very, very painful. So we're going to, like he said, put your hand on your hip, move your thumb down. All right? Looks good. Right there. You guys see it? There's a bruise from where I've hit this spot before, so it is the right spot. And like I said, we're in an Airbnb, so sometimes you just gotta make things work. This Airbnb does not have a full-length mirror, so I had to drag a chair here. But now that I am seeing that my phone would have worked as well, so that's also a little tip. All right, we're just going to, it's starting to hurt. If it hurts, then you know you're probably close to a nerve and you don't want to use that spot. You want to pull it out and not hit that nerve. You don't want to damage your nerves. That hurts, so we don't want to do that. Let's try again. Hand on your hip, go down lower. That still seems a little low. That was less painful, right? See how low I went the other day? That's way too low. That's less painful. Now, some doctors will tell you to pull back on the plunger, but I have actually read online that that is old guidance. It's unnecessary. And with one hand, because I'm doing it by myself, I also don't pull back on the plunger. So I push in very slow because the oil is thick. And hopefully I won't bleed this time. Yesterday I squirted out a ton of blood, but like I said, I was way down here. Here's my butt crack, so definitely don't want to be down that low. That's why I bruised. So no blood, no pain. Everything's good to go. Nothing left in the syringe. We did it right today. So good luck for you ladies out there doing this on your own. It's tough. It takes a lot. And you're going to be an amazing mother. Because if you're going through all this trouble to just have the baby, then you're going to raise that baby wonderfully. And you're going to be loved, and the baby's going to be loved.